Hi everyone, let's look at how to use AirPlay on a MacBook. Click on the AirPlay icon in the menu bar, then click on the name of the Airtame. Enter the PIN code that appears on screen. You can now share a slideshow or any other presentation material. When finished, click on the AirPlay icon again and then click Stop AirPlay. Now let's look at how AirPlay works on an iPhone. The same steps work on an iPad. Swipe down from the top right-hand corner of your iPhone screen, then tap on Screen Mirroring. Tap on the name of the Airtame. When finished, swipe down again, tap Screen Mirroring, then tap Stop Mirroring.